Yeah, hi friends. This is Ajit Kumar from Chennai. So today I'm just try to get emails in the local machines. So I to work a lot of extensions and I try to configure the SMTP, but I'm facing lot of issue and I have spent a lot of times in that. So finally I found one extension. So that's the email caches. So I know a lot of the developers, the Magento developers got stuck to validating the email ports in our local machines. So that's the reason I could like to create this video. So this video is completely covered. So whatever the extension I could find in the Git bucket, so I'm just tell the flow how I install and how I can get the emails in the local machines. So right now I'm just opening the Chromes. So just type Magento 2 email cache. So from here you can able to see that module experience email caches. So already we have the extensions, so I'm just reusing this. So instead of going with the master, you can go for Magento 2.3.3. so why? Because we are using the latest Magento versions up to 2.4.x, right? So better we can go ahead with the latest versions. So once you click on the code and then you can download the zip files. So I already have downloaded, even I have configured in my local machines. So I don't want to do everything in this video. So once everything has been done, so just come here, so open the etc module.xml. so from here we can come to know that the vendor and module names. So we have to create the folders, experience and email catcher inside the app code. So I'm just going to the folders. I'm using the jam server, just ignore it. So whatever the server, so I'm using a Magento app code. So from here I'm creating the vendor folder experience and the module name as email catches, and whatever we have download the zip file, right? You can extract and you have to paste it here. So once you done this, you have to run the setup upgrade and setup deploy as usual, all the commands you have to run. So once everything has been done, so you should open your Magento. So already have installed the Magento package and it's already ready in made. Okay, yeah, even in local as usual it will take some time. Let's be wait. Okay, it seems like it will take a time, so I will pause the video until my backend is loaded, so don't mind. Yeah, I resumed it. So yeah, my backend is ready. So for this we have to make sure whether your email catcher has been installed successfully. So for that you should go for store configurations. I don't know, today my local is too slow. Okay, it's opened. So yeah, you can come to advanced. So from here you can find the email caches. So from here we can able to find the enable and disable option for the email caches. So by default it should be enabled. Yeah, your extension has been installed successfully. So why? Because the configuration is showing in the backend, right? So, yeah, and the next thing, so once we place an order, so we have to check where the email has been captured, right? So for that we have one more configurations. So you should go for systems, under the tool you can find the email catcher. So even whatever the email, even it's a, yeah, it's showing the some errors. So this is the expected one. So once you go with Magento 2.3.3 branch, so for that you should go for app code experience, just open that view admin HTMLs and UI component. So we have to remove or just comment it. So I'm just removing this and then I'm just save this file. If you do any changes in the XML file, you should clear the cache. So just clear the cache. So let's wait until the cache got cleared. Oh, it's too speed, I don't know. Sometimes it will take time and sometimes it will take bit earlier. So I'm just reloading this. So once you remove that, the content note in the XML, then this issue got fixed. This extension is really very useful for Magento developers to get the emails. Even I had to spend a lot of times to configuring and using the lot of extensions, and we really thank to Express email catcher developers to done these extensions. And this extension could help us to get emails from the Magento default emails, as well as whatever the email we created or customized, right? So the custom emails, everything we got it in this email catchers modules. So yeah, it's really helpful for the Magento developers. Thank you so much for this module developer. Anyway, so I cleared the caches, so it is taking more long time to refresh. Let's wait. So yeah, it's done and the error got fixed. And yeah, right now it will showing as empty record, so we don't have and we are not generating email yet. Whether if you are creating the customers or if you are generating any orders. So let me check if any orders is available in my store. So if it's that, then we can directly trigger the send email tabs for that orders. So then we come to know that whether the email is been triggered or not. Yeah, I feel like I have placed some orders in my local machines. So let's see. It's a 0 records found. Then we have to place an order. Let's see. Oh, it's 9 record has been found. Okay, I'm just opening the latest one. Hope everyone could aware. So from here, once we view the orders, we have seen this send email buttons. So if you click that, it will trigger the order confirmation email for the respective customers. Okay, it's keep on loading. So meanwhile, I'm just opening email catcher in the new tab. Okay, it's coming. So once I click on this send email, then the order confirmation email has been triggered to the respective customers. The customers from here is ajitkumar@gmail.com. So if the email has been sent successfully, then the email catcher it's got my emails into that grid view. So once we click on view, then we can see the complete email templates over there. Yeah, the email has been sent successfully. So now I'm just coming to the email catcher. So let's right now we have to find the one record. So right now I triggered the order confirmation email. So once you click, if you want, you can resend and you can get the same samples again. So if you click on the view, so we can see the order confirmation email templates here. Even not only for the order confirmations. So if I'm triggered to click on the ship, even whatever the emails, if it's a Magento default emails or if it's Magento or the customized emails that you have customized for your projects or some other for testing purpose. So all the emails it will be catched by email catchers. So yeah, let's try for shipments. Okay, you have to check this email copy of the shipments and then click on this submit shipment. So once the email got success, then it could catch by the email catcher. For this loading we can use some mobiles in between that. Even a lot more time when I doing the running the commands in the Magento, right? So I will take my mobiles and then have used, or I'm seeing some install whatever. So even more or less it will take 10 to 15 minutes to run in my local machines. If you work on the long projects, so it's keep on running. So even for doing the DA compile, then it will take 5 minutes in my laptop. Even even it's still running. So for triggering the emails, so even if you trigger emails in the local machines, so it will take some times. So because a lot of things has been going in the background. The shipment has been created. So from here when I refresh, so we have to see the two records. One is for order confirmation and another one is a shipment. Let's see. Yeah, right now we can see the two records. The one is for confirmation, another one is for shipments. When I try to view this email, then we can see the exact the shipping emails. The email has been customized, so the same email we can see it here. So I think this video is really helpful for you. So yeah, even I too work a lot to help for the Magento developers to reduce their work, and they have to learn more on that. So if you have any issues, or if you are spending more times on any extensions, or if you need any helps to improvise the Magento, so you can add me the comments. So I will be here to help you always. So even I to come up with some other extensions. So even if you want to add more videos related to some other things, just add me in the comments. So I will come up with own extensions, or if any extension is available, just I come up with the videos. Thank you so much. So bye, see you on the next videos. Yes.